Welcome to the second video on collections photography by the Association of Nova Scotia Museums in partnership with Nova Scotia Museum. Today we will be looking at how to set up the background for a camera shot. The topics that we will be covering can be applied to both a professional camera and a smartphone. Start with neutral background colors like gray, black, or white. In the absence of professional equipment, bedsheets or clean pieces of foam core would be suitable. The background should be flat and clean with no holes or wrinkles. Make sure the edges of the background are not visible within the frame. When placing the object, ensure that the object is properly supported. This will vary depending on the object. The object should be straight and centered within the frame. It is important to have a scale in the picture to see the relative size of the object. Ideally, a basic black and white scale should be used, but in the absence of such an item, a ruler is a suitable substitute. Make sure the same scale is being used for all pictures to keep it consistent. The position of the scales should be relative to the object. Scales may not be necessary for close-up shots. For each object, you should take at least 2 photos, front and back. Depending on the object, photos from other angles may be necessary. If the object has any of the following, more photos should be taken as close-ups: maker's marks, signatures, brand names, logos, damage, or conservation actions taken. In terms of lighting, ensure that there are no shadows in the frame, as these may obscure details on the object. On the other hand, too much light can wash out the object and also obscure details. Natural light may be adequate, however, additional artificial light can be used. If objects are large and cannot be moved, such as furniture, vehicles, or outside equipment, pictures can still be taken. Ensure the space around the object is clear, removing any smaller objects or debris that may be in the photo. If the object is used as storage, remove smaller items within if visible in the picture. These are some of the basics of how to set up a camera shot for collections photography.